That is actually the pond right there. Never seen it frozen like this in the south, guys. That's crazy. So today I had a vlog in mind. Let me show you guys the setup that I have. A lot of you guys have been asking me what the setup is like. Give you guys a room tour of our streaming setup. So yeah, we'll go ahead and do that today since I really can't do anything out here. All right, so on with the room tours. Let's go in. This, ignore this. This is where I get my light workout in. This is where I stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday, right here. Yep, welcome to the streaming room. So it's a pretty basic room actually. We just kind of outfit it to where a desk will work over there and a couch will work over here. But I want to show you guys up here. This is where I just hung up these lines right here. They were on the floor forever downstairs. These shelves right here, I just now use it to kind of put a bunch of Minecraft stuff on there. These are Aiden and Tyler's presents that they get throughout the years. Since they really don't play with them, I just use it for decoration in here. Yeah, and here's all my gears, my old gears that I don't use anymore. They're just there as a memory. Yep. Had a bunch of these Enderman. I don't know where they came from, but I have looks like I have like 5 or 6 of them. Elmo, this is his personal chair. He streams sometime too. Well, yeah, this is the setup. Let me show you guys I guess I can turn on some of these lights and show you guys. Hold on one sec. So I have a remote here, and if I press 1, that light turns on. If I press 2, that light turns on. I press 3. Actually the camera right there that you see, that camera turns on. And then 4 is really nothing, and then 5, I've got some lighting down here that turns on. This is Bobby right here. He watches the stream too. He's one of the viewers. Let me show you guys here. These are my 2 PC down here. Let me turn them on. And that's what powers all of these PC in here. One box goes to 2 monitors. The other box goes to the other one. So these 2 monitors right here, I generally use them to monitor the stream as it's happening. And then I have these 2 right here that I actually play games with you guys right here. Yep. I used to have a lot of lights. Until I realized that it doesn't really matter how many lights I have. This camera kind of adjusts to the lighting anyway, since it's such a good camera. That I just, now I don't have 2 lights. This is actually my favorite keyboard. One of the famous eSport guys have. I saw it, I like it. The reason why I like it is because it's very minimal. There's not a bunch of lightings on there. It just lights the keys up. It has a lot of customization. I like Logitech because I've tried a bunch of other brands. Logitech has the best software to kind of customize everything, so that's the reason why. The mouse that I'm using is a Logitech 502. This is the special edition that has all the white trimmings. Honestly, I don't know why I bought this. because I actually have another one. Oh, that's right, I bought it because of the Hero sensor right here. So this is the new sensor, and I wanted to try it out. Yeah, so I have a few of the 502. I have the earlier version where it is the other sensors, and then I like the form factor so much that I bought the Hero edition. So anyway, that's my setup. That's my keyboard and mouse right there. Love it. Been trying this baby out right here. This is the, let me turn it on. This is the SteelSeries. Really like this mouse. It's because it's kind of the same size as this baby right here. It's wireless, has the same amount of buttons as you can see right here. Yeah, it has kind of the same amount of buttons as the 502, and it's wireless. I like it a lot. Super light. So all these mouse has customization where I can literally take this off. If I can do that, there we go. And I can put like little weights on them. You can see it. And then you just snap it back on. Same here on this side. So you can literally like take all of this off, put weights on them, and then make the mouse heavier. Some people like their mouse heavier because they obviously lift weights. I don't, so I have it empty. It's super light right now. Same thing with this right here with the Logitech. The Logitech mouse has all, you can put all the weights in here. It'll distribute it correctly, and yeah, that's the 502 mouse. They distribute the weights really nicely. Right now I don't have any weights in there because I found that having a super light mouse is the thing right now. So I'm just trying it out. So on this one right here, this computer, it takes forever to boot up, but this is my streaming computer right here. Essentially, this gaming computer right here hooks up to the streaming computer. So this is what broadcasts out to Twitch. So that's why whenever you see me like turn over here, play game a little bit, I talk to you guys, and then I would look over here for like a little chat panel that I have over here, and then I would monitor all my OBS and stuff like that. Yeah, I got this keyboard. It's a Bluetooth keyboard specifically so that I can just put it away and just kind of clear the desk out. But that keyboard right there is actually for this computer right here. Yeah, and once in a while you guys would ask me to play some kind of Nintendo Switch games with you, and this is where I just drop the Switch in and it just hooks up into this monitor. Yep. I got a bunch of little things going on here. I don't know, you guys wanted me to, you know, go into details of how all of it works and everything, but just real quick is that I do have a switcher, an HDMI switcher, where it would switch, you know, like from Nintendo Switch out to like a PC, all on this monitor. So I would be switching things out, like a PlayStation. I have a PlayStation 4 sitting over here, where if I hit a switch, once I turn it on, I will hit a switch and it would just turn on over here, and I can play games right here. With this streaming computer, what I do is I also have this little panel right here. So you might have heard the Elgato Stream Deck. Well, the Elgato Stream Deck is like 150 bucks for the one that I want with all the buttons that I want. I found this little software called Touch Portal, and I'm using that right now. It's that's what's controlling a lot of my stuff right here. Whenever I want to have Carlton dance, I want to have Fluffy just jumping up right there. So I would do that. Yeah. SpongeBob dancing right there. So yep, that's where I control all that stuff. Oh yeah, and don't forget the rewind button. That's my latest thing. I've hooked it up to where I press this, it'll rewind the gameplay for a little bit. Then that's what you guys see up there. I found these little guys right here. It's called a sound machine. I don't know who gave it to us. Probably grandma gave it to the kids. They never used it. But you press a button, they do those kind of things. Yeah, see? Ching-ching! Ching-ching! Okay, that doesn't sound like a fart, but it sounds more like an airplane. Yeah, it sounds like an airplane. And that's awesome. Okay, so yeah, I have 2 of these things. I have not used it yet because, well, because I just found them. But yeah, we'll be playing with those soon. I love those. But yeah, oh yeah. So this is my mic right here. I'm using a Blue Yeti right now. Just real plain Jane. This thing falls off all the time. But yeah, this is what I use, the Blue Yeti. I just when I'm ready to start, I just pull this out like that. And Bob once in a while likes to dress up. This is it right here. Yes, Ashley, it was all Bob, okay? And yes, that was real hair. I realized that I scream a lot on stream, so I wanted to kind of dampen the screaming out. There's certain mics that will let you do that pretty good, so I may change over to those. But for right now, guys, great mics. I got this for like 80 bucks or something like that. It was on sale, so can't beat it. It sounds good. The only problem is the cords tend to get loose right here, and so that's why sometimes you guys would tell me, hey, we can't hear you, or you sound funny, or whatever. Yeah, it's an oldie, but it's a good one. One last thing I want to show you guys is Groby. This is his favorite chair right here. He loves it. This is a brand new chair my wife gave me. It actually is a really good chair. Whenever I stream though, I do switch out to this chair over here. I take it from Elmo, just because that chair doesn't look as cool as a gaming chair on stream, right? So yeah, I would use that chair. But for long days where I'm working, I would use this chair. Very comfortable. Okay, so guys, one last thing is that you guys are probably wondering like what my background looks like. Well, here it is. I've shown you guys some of this on stream one time. I don't know if you were around watching it, but all these are paper that came from the dollar store. I was trying to make like, every one of these was like, I think 50 cents or $1 or something like that. I don't know, but I bought all these from the dollar store. And then I found out that because I put tape on this like this right here, the lights would shine on the tape and it wouldn't work on stream. So I had to cover it up with another strip of paper. I had a company that actually sent me this, asked if I wanted to use this green screen. So I installed it, but it will go all the way down. The problem here is that it's not big enough for the stream. As you can see, if you're over here, it'll get cut off. So I need the entire wall space. I need the entire wall. And this is big, but it's not big enough. So for now, it's just sitting there. But yeah, that's it right there. That is the streaming setup, guys. Obviously, when I vlog, I edit all my vlog on my laptop, so I really don't use this to edit my vlog at all. I mean, this video that you're watching here, I'm editing on a laptop. I don't really use PC to edit. I use Final Cut Pro. If you guys have questions about Final Cut Pro, let me know. I've been using it forever. Love it. Once you get used to Final Cut Pro, your workflow can go really fast, really fast. So I totally recommend Final Cut Pro if you do have a Mac. So yeah, that's it right there, guys. That's my streaming setup. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys have any questions, ping me on Discord or Instagram. I'm always on there. So let me know if you have questions about it. If you're looking to get into streaming, just ask me those questions. I've done a lot of research on different stuff, different methodology on how to hook up the whole thing. So yeah, let me know. But that is it for me today. I'm probably gonna go out and do some sledding on the snow. So since we've never seen snow before and we had this much, we're gonna go out there and have some fun. I'll see you guys later.